Okay, so I'm just going to do a very quick unboxing video of this Motorola G06, which cost me a whopping 70 quid. So we're just going to whip it out the box. You get the phone on top, pop that aside for a second, and then underneath you just get a simple charging cable and some paperwork in there as well. Pop the lid back on, let's just have a look. They've covered up the storage option that I picked. So I can't actually remember which one it was, so we'll find that out in a second. But here is the Motorola G06. Large display, stereo speakers, 50 megapixel camera, up to 12 gigs of RAM with RAM boost, which of course uses some of the storage to help boost your RAM. Comes pre-clad in a protective case, so let's just whip that off for a second. And I've got it in their sort of Pantone green color. They do it in a sort of bluish color as well. So we'll just power the phone on. And as you can see, unsurprisingly, of a budget phone, you've got some pretty chunky bezels around the display, and there's no punch hole cutout there's just a older style dewdrop notch at the top. So we'll just wait for it to come up to the boot up screen, and then we'll go through the setup process. Okay, so this is the start of the setup process. I definitely don't want Italian, so let's just select English, United Kingdom, and then we can go on to start, and then it will just take us through the rest of the setup process. Now, feel free to skip this part if you don't want to watch it, but I know some of you guys actually quite like to see this setup process. So I'm not going to set up from another device just yet. I am going to connect to my Wi-Fi. Okay, and then once you've done that, you can just go through the other bits and bobs of the setup process. Now, this is potentially it's always a long-winded thing to do, setting up a new phone, but there we go. So while that's doing that, what do you think of the design? I actually quite like it. Nice color, dual camera setup on the back, nice sort of curve there going into the body. That's actually really, oh. Okay, so I've just gone through setting up my Wi-Fi and putting in my Google information, and then it will just get your account ready. And then you can go through the rest of the bits setting up the phone. Okay, so you can set up a PIN, which I'm going to do straight away. You can set up the fingerprint scanner on there, so I will do that as well. We'll just see what it's, find the sensor, which I've done, and then we'll just quickly go through that setup process. And then obviously we can see how quick and how responsive it is. These capacitive ones always seem to be pretty good and pretty responsive. Just make sure that you move your thumbprint around just so it gets as much of it as possible. You can add another one if you want to. So if you want to unlock your phone this way like that, you can do that, but I'm not going to do that just yet. And then you can set up face unlock, which again, I'm not going to do just yet. Copy your apps and data. We'll skip that bit for now. Go through all the Google services, bits and bobs. Back up your device. I'm not going to back it up. Choose your search engine, which I always pick Google. And then we'll leave and get reminder. And hopefully. So at this point, you can choose whether you want to have the buttons or the gesture navigation. So in terms of showing how they work, although most of you probably already know, I am going to select gestures. I don't need to try it out. And then you can select a light and dark mode from the get-go. So we'll leave light mode on for now. Live lock screen, no, I'm going to turn that off because that always drives me nuts. And then you're all set, and hopefully we're good to go. And then if you want to add some new apps, which I don't want to add any of those, but a lot of the time when I deselect them, for some reason it always seems to install them anyway. So regardless, you may or may not end up with them on the phone anyway, that you can obviously then just delete. So here is the Motorola G06 out of the box. A pretty standard Android experience. You've got your Google Discover feed when you swipe to the right, and your apps tray under there as well. See, look, games are already on there anyway, so yeah, they will be deleted off. So this is just what the phone looks like out of the box, basically. I'm not going to go through every little bit of the settings menu because you all know exactly what it's all about. It's basically the same sort of stuff. So let's go to System Updates, check for updates. I mean, it says I'm using the latest one. There we go, takes a minute. So yeah, Android 15, security patch of September 2025. So it's a little bit behind. So we'll see during my use if anything extra comes of that. So we've got a 6.8 inch 720p display with 120 Hz refresh rate. You're rocking a MediaTek G81 Ultra, which is the same as what you found in the Motorola that's this one. On an X6C, which I've got content on that, so if you want to check that out as well, and that's a similar sort of price. But so far, for 70 quid, this doesn't feel that bad, but I am going to be using this as my full-time phone for a few days for sure, to see if I can actually live with a £70 phone. So if you want to see the results of that, definitely get subscribed to my YouTube channel, and I'll catch you there.